So in this session, we will discuss about calling multiple stored procedures in one API with parameters. Okay. So to do this task, I am taking three procedures. The procedure name is employee DEPT number. This is one procedure, and for this procedure, I will pass department number to get the employee details. Suppose if I send department number 10, then I have to get the department number 10 employee records. Okay, and one more store procedure that is called salary. So if I send particular salary, example 3000, then I have to get the employee records whose salary is 3000. Okay, and one more store procedure. Here I am giving some job name. So if I pass job name, then I have to get the related employee records. Okay, so actually so this is the main table here. Yeah, series department 10. If I send department 10, then it has to return the department number 10 records. If I send manager to this get underscore employee job procedure, then I have to send that manager related records only. Okay, so if I send salary, then I have to return that particular employee records only. Okay, so I'm going to write the store procedure. So this is the first store procedure name, get underscore employee department number. So here parameter is this one, p underscore DEPT number. So this one is integer, and here write the store procedure employee where DEPT number equal to parameter. Okay, so next create one more store procedure, and that store procedure name is get underscore employee sal. And for this, what will be the parameter? P underscore sal. So this one is also integer, and same logic, but has separate parameter where sal equal to p underscore sal. So this is second store procedure, and one more store procedure, that is get underscore employee job. So parameter is p underscore job. So this data type is varchar of 50, and same query you can copy this, and job where job equal to parameter p underscore job, and take this procedure name and write call. Here department number I am giving just 10, and all second procedure name salary I am giving 3000, and third procedure name call underscore get underscore employee job. Here I am giving just manager. Okay, so I am executing all these procedures. So we are getting some records. Okay, so from backend there is no issue. We are able to get the records. Okay, so once we have checked this, then only we can start the API. Okay. So here this is our API solution. Then start to write router.post, and here multiple procedure params. This is our API method name, and async. Actually, async is not required. Why? Because we are not using any await keyword. Okay. So if you are using await keyword, then it is good to use async. Solely IntelliSense will come. Yes. res.send new error response 400 and error dot message, and just put so now so for passing parameter we have to take the params in request body. So take let body equal to request dot body. After that declare the parameters params, and here body dot dept number. So here give the object names. Here dept number I am passing 10, and sal I'm passing some 3000, and one more thing, job manager. Okay, so same key names I have to take here. So body dot sal body dot dept number, sorry, job. Okay, so after this call sp equal to, and first of all we need to set these parameters as per the procedure. Okay, so here p underscore department number is there, so set dept number equal to this one, and set at the rate what will be the second store procedure parameter p underscore sal and third parameter job, and set at the rate, and again add this store procedures. So call here for employee DEPT number, it is expecting DEPT number as a parameters. So we are passing parameters name to the respective store procedure. Okay. So after this, call dbpool.query and call sp and params dot error callback result, and if error comes then So same type of response, else. Okay, and let emp dept data equal to result. So here, see here, from this, how do you write the code means by using debugging only we can able to write the code, otherwise it is not possible. If you know the logic then you can write, but by using the debugging we can able to write the logic simply. So I am going to execute it. And meanwhile you can put the breakpoints. Next, go to the debugging. So yeah, what will be the API method? This one, and execute it. Now see this. Here, result of 0, we are not getting any data set, and 1 also, 2 also. Okay, so what will be the params length? Here 3. Okay, so you can observe the params position in result, params length position. Okay, params length is 3. So result of 3 means in this we are getting data. Okay, after that result of 5, that means params dot length plus 2. Okay, so that belongs to second procedure result. After that params dot length plus 4. Okay, in this position params dot length position, that that will have first stored procedure data set. Okay, params dot length plus 2, that will have second stored procedure data set. Params dot length plus 4, that will have third stored procedure data set. Okay, so you can easily observe this. So from that you can write it. So, and if you want to write, you can write here result dot length greater than params dot length and here let dept data, that is result of params dot length. Next, second data set, sal data. That means we are sending salary as a parameter to the store procedure. I am indicating that sal data. Okay, so result of params dot length plus 2. And next, third one is job. Okay, so job data equal to result of params dot length plus 4. Now, so it is indicating some error. I think here if you put any, it will be gone. So now res dot send dept result. I'm binding dept data. Sal result. I'm binding sal data. Next one is job result. I'm binding job data. Okay, So now execute it. So if else also you can write like res.send status code to one message.
What's it? Who is kicking?
Auntie.
Well, please mute yourself. Send it. See this. So DEPT result, I am passing 10 as a parameter. So I am able to get the department number 10 details. See 10. After that salary result, I am passing 3000. So in this salary result, I am able to get 3000 employee details only. After that job is manager. So manager result. So manager records I can get under the job result. Okay. So you can I'm not using any avoid keywords so that it is not required. Okay, so I can get the result without using async also. And see, if I change this params position, then observe this. Whether I'm able to get the result set or not, just observe. See, I am getting some error. Why means here salary, that data type is integer, so it is passing to the department number. So department number is also integer. Okay, no problem. So here whether we will get the data or not, that is secondary, but initially whether it is passing to this parameter or not, that is the primary thing. Okay, so here salary 3000, that is passing to the department number. Okay, it is accepting. And the second one is job. What is the job? Manager. So manager is passing to the second parameter salary. Okay, so at this point body dot job and passing to the p underscore sal. At this point you are getting the error. So manager in incorrect integer value, manager for sal for column p underscore sal. Okay, you are getting the issue. Now we will change this order. Let us see what will happen. See here department number, it is integer, it is passing to the p underscore sal, and body dot sal, it is passing through the p underscore job. Okay, so here integer body dot sal, it is passing to the job. Okay, integer can pass through the varchar. Okay, I mean string. Here coming to the job, here it has to pass to the department number which is having integer. Okay, so job is a string, manager it is a string. So we can't pass manager to the department number because data types are different. So that we are getting manager for column p underscore department number. So incorrect integer value. So manager cannot be passed to the p underscore department number. So it is throwing error. Okay. So while calling stored procedure, please be care of these parameters and request body along with the stored procedure parameters. Okay, so please try to maintain the order. Okay, so otherwise you will get errors. So this you can have single store procedure also. Okay, like so I am taking one more store procedure. Don't be confused. I am trying to say number of possible ways. Okay. Employee details. I think this procedure name does not exist, right? Yeah. Okay. You just copy all this logic into this procedure and sal and job. Well, and pass this parameter. Take this parameter and here put comma. Apply this and take this procedure, and before going to check with, you can check in backend. So 10, passing this value, that order that is mandatory to maintain. So you are getting data set. Okay, so copy this procedure name and paste it here. Okay, so here 1, 2. Because if the procedure return multiple data sets, it will be stored in sequential order. Okay, result will be stored in sequential order. I mean, first data set will be stored in result of params.length. Second data set will be stored in params.length plus 1. Third data set params.length plus 2. Okay, so like that, execute it. See, 10, 10, 10. In salary result, all should be 3000, right? In job, manager, manager, manager. Okay, so this logic is correct. Okay, so if you want to check in debug, you can check it. On debug points, yeah, here. So where it is. Yeah, see this. See 0, first data set, not 0 here. Result of params.length means 3. Result of 3, we are getting data. Plus 1, 4. Result of 4, we are getting data. Result of params.length plus 2, I mean 5, we are getting data. Okay, so you can write any one of the logic. Generally in real time we used to write the logic this way, but it is better to know in case how do you call the store procedures, multiple store procedures at a time in a single API. It is better to know. That's why I'm telling. Okay,